Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learning Through Videos with Pasal. On today's video, let's talk about adjectives. I'm Brett from Pasal. Alright, no more waiting. Let's begin. Shapes. Broad. Crooked. Curved. Deep. Even. Flat. Hilly, jagged, round, shallow, square, steep, straight, thick, thin, triangular, and uneven. Size. Average, big, fat, gigantic, huge, large, little, long, massive, medium, miniature, narrow, petite, short, skinny, small, tall, tiny, wide. Well, I guess that's enough for today's lesson. Hope you all found it very helpful. So don't forget to give it a like, and we can make some more interesting videos in the future. And by the way, we now have a free trial course for all new beginners. It's totally free. So check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm Brett, and we'll see you next time.